How's it going, guys? I'm going to be showing you guys how to trace any image off the internet. So if you're looking for like a JPEG to SVG or PNG to SVG so that it's a vector graphic, this is the easiest way to do it. So I just imported this image from Google, just a quick example. What I'll do is I'll go down once I have the image open, image trace at the top here, and go high fidelity photo. So it looks like nothing really happened, which it really hasn't traced it yet. What we still have to do is click expand, and now it just divides everything into layers. So now if I look over here, I have my background, the comment box, the heart, and the one all separate. What I want to do is, in this case, I want to delete the background. So I click just on the background, delete it. You can't really see, but it's just the logo there, or the icon there. So what I can also do is fit to artboard bounds, and there you have it. Everything's traced, you can move everything around, and everything's individual. So thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.